Welcome back to Double Stack 1911. Hey, so today it's a real big day for me. I actually got myself a treat. I don't have enough subscribers to actually get anything mailed to me or anything like that. However, I did go out and buy this new toy. Actually, it's for clay shooting and everything like that. This is the Mossberg 940 JM Pro. Now, I'm not going to deceive anybody. I did already go out and shoot this firearm. So we're going to look at it, check it out. I'm pretty sure that I don't have any other videos out there that are less than about a year old on this shotgun. There might be one or two, but let's go ahead and open it up so we can see that at first it comes in this very typical, proudly American cardboard box. Let's kind of open it up here, see what we got. So, like I said before, I did already have this firearm out at the range. Maybe I'll show a little bit of that towards the end of the video here. Come on. So we can see that we have a typical, plug there. And I open up the bag as well. So it comes with some different shoulder pads, things like that you can exchange on the shotgun. Comes with one choke installed, and there are two more. I don't know what each one of those are. You could look it up online to see what they are, but that is in there. Your typical lock. Of course, they can't sell you any firearm without a lock. I got some extra of those to go in the front sight. High-vis shooting systems. And I got some tools to do what I need to do. Also, there's a book tell you all about the shotgun. I'm real excited about this. Let's go ahead and put this back in there. I didn't miss anything, did I? Oh, yeah. I took it off of the shotgun, but, Mossbergs usually have the typical Mossberg plastic piece that'll go on the lower or sometimes even on the barrel. And, of course, I have a Mossberg sticker. Isn't that awesome? That is awesome. So, let me go ahead, put that in the box, move this box out of the way here. Pay any minds to my cat. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, this guy's a cat guy? He must be crazy. Maybe I am. So we can see here, this is it. She's unloaded, as you can see. Nothing in there. Completely empty. Right? She is empty. Beautiful. Love these gold trims. You notice that on a lot of these, they have the gold roundish bolt release here. Mine doesn't have that. It has the regular 940 Pro. Beautiful. Has that gold trigger. Loaded indicator. Very nice. When we took this to the range will only let you shoot slugs in a shotgun.
Okay.
And even though I'm not going to lie, this thing did have some kick, and if I add some videos in later, you'll see. However, it didn't have as much kick as you would think. But it definitely had kick. That kick was there. Also, you have an RMSC optic cut here, so I could just take these out, slap an RMSC optic on there. I keep wanting to rack it like a shotgun. This little piece here I purchased, so it didn't come with this. I got this little piece off Amazon. It's probably like $30, so you can mount a sling or something. because I do want to have a sling for it. Maybe at some point I'll take it hunting. Love it. Love it. This thing is awesome. Again, as promised, I'll list some reviews, right? What everybody thinks about this firearm. I'll put it out there so you guys can see. Beautiful front sight. You know, you line it up where you can't see any of the rail and just see that. Boom. This baby's right on the money. I think that you'll love it if you get one. This trigger is really nice. Very little take up, right? Very little take up. There's a little take up. There's the brake. Very nice reset. This thing is beautiful. If you guys get a chance, I think that this is generally compared to the Beretta A300. I see everything online shows it's pretty comparable. I would say that I've never shot an A300, but just as much as I love this one, I would say it probably is. There's lots of videos online about how to take it down, how to clean it. It's supposed to go 1,500 rounds in between cleanings. So we'll see about that. This is the choke that comes with it. It's got the M on it. So I'm not sure what that means. I'll look that up later. But hey, just want to remind you guys, I usually don't have my face on there, but now you get to see my face and my old gray beard. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really could use that. As of the recording of this video, I only have 51 subscribers. Really would like to, you know, get some more subscribers, get up there. Maybe I can do this full time, show you guys some really cool stuff that you recommend, but right now I really can't do that all the time. I am waiting on the Fusion XP3C for a concealed carry gun, but hey, you guys, I really love this shotgun. I also have a Mossberg 590. If you guys want me to review it, I still have the box and everything. I can show you guys what all it came with. Just let me know. Leave some comments. So anyway, that's it for the Mossberg 940JM Pro. Again, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments.
Cover that.
Oh my gosh!
It locked back. That's got some kick, don't it?
Yeah, but it's still not.
Like this, right? Like this?
I mean, that's how I shoot it, but who knows?